we're asking 10 billion naira damages against the defendants.
The family of the late Keren-Happuch Aondodoo Akpagher has dragged Premier Academy Lugbe, Abuja, and its owners, including former Managing Director of Skye Bank, Mr. Akinsola Akifemiwa, before an Abuja High Court. They are demanding over 10 billion naira for negligence and failure to care for their child while in their custody. It can be recalled that Keren-Happuch died on the 22nd of June 2021 after developing sepsis as a result of infection caused by the condom left inside her by her rapist. Mrs. Vivian Akpagher, speaking with newsmen, said she brought the suit against Premier Academy because the school has refused to take responsibility for the alleged rape and death of a child.
The school has also been fighting to cover up all that happened to Keren. So at this point, I have no other choice than to take them to court for negligence and failure of duty of care. Keren was in their care. When I handed over Keren to them, the instruction was Keren takes a blood test every day and takes her insulin morning and evening. But from the stories I've heard, they changed the timing of taking her test to twice a week, and even at that, they could not really follow up closely. Because I hear the Wednesday 16th she was supposed to take a test, she did not take a test. And taking a test means immediately after the test, she takes her insulin jab. So if she did not take the test on Wednesday 16th June 2021, it means she did not even take the insulin jab, and nobody looked for her to ask why or to make her take it. And this was solely she was in their care, so it was a duty that they denied her.
The deceased mother also noted that a nurse in the school, Louise Bungu, in a statement said she gave Keren-Happuch an overdose of a medication which was not prescribed for her, thereby suppressing her immune system.
The statement of nurse Louise Bungu, who was a nurse in the school, she said she administered dexamethasone to Keren. Keren had routine drugs she was taking, which was strictly insulin. So it meant that any other drug to be given to Keren must have been cleared with me. Nobody did that, and they went ahead and administered dexamethasone in an overdose to Keren, who was a diabetic. And dexamethasone, what it does clearly is it compromises your immune. And so already this is someone that was diabetic, that the immune was already compromised. So aggravating that situation led to Keren's distress and demise.
Mrs. Akpagher noted that she decided to take the school to court as a result of their negligence.
So now we are in court. We have taken the school Premier Academy to court and its owners, which is for negligence of duty, which they owed Keren to care for her and to ensure that she was safe. Under their watch, Keren was raped. Under their watch, Keren was overdosed with dexamethasone, which led to her death.
Also, the leader of the Coalition of Men Against Rape Foundation, Lugbe, speaking with newsmen, notes that the school has continuously refused to release the CCTV footages of the 15th and 16th of June 2021, which shows the state of Keren before her death.
The CCTV footages that we have asked for from the school is footages of 15th and 16th of June. That means within 1 week, within 7 days of the crime being reported. It is not within after the 30 days, which is used as excuse by the school, that after 30 days their CCTV footages get deleted automatically.
Mr. Ugebe also questioned Premier Academy on how it has been able to retrieve footage of later dates while insisting that they cannot produce the footage of the 15th and 16th of June 2021.
The same school who said that have produced and shown media people CCTV footage of 19th of June 2021, when after 5 hours of Keren's mom struggling with the school to get her daughter released, there was a long shot CCTV footage that was released by the school on the 19th of June. Now, if they could manually back up CCTV footage of 19th of June, how come the CCTV footage, within 7 days after the crime was reported, they have failed to bring or to manually back up? That is, if we take the fantastic story that they have told that their footages are deleted automatically after 30 days.
He mentioned that the deceased mother got information from Karen's house mother on the state of her child on the 16th of June 2021, adding that the CCTV footage they are asking for will answer a lot of questions.
Mrs. Vivian Akpagher got intelligence reports from a teacher in that school, house mistress, and it is on record in our brief in court. Part of the claims in the brief in court is that Karen's mom got intel report from the house mistress, Mrs. Rita Bejide, that your daughter could not walk to class on the 16th of June. She was distraught and in pain, and it took her classmates, 2 of them, helping her to go to school, helping her to walk to class to write a continuous assessment test. If that was the condition of Keren on the early morning of 16th of June, it presupposes that she suffered that abuse on the 15th of June at night. So the CCTV footages that we are asking, that we will also seek the court for an order of mandamus to compel the school and the police to produce, will answer the question and unmask the rapist.
Here is Mrs. Akpagher detailing what the suit she is filing contains.
The negligence of Keren that led to her death on the 22nd day of June. And then we're asking 10 billion naira damages against the defendants for the breach of duty of care and negligence, which led to Karen's death. And then 10 million naira for emotional and mental stress of myself. And an order from the court restraining the defendants and from harassing myself and then those that are standing by me.
Mrs. Akpagher said all she expected from the school was to take responsibility for the rape and death of a child and be apologetic. She added that if they were honorable enough to do so, she would drop the matter. She goes on to say if Premier Academy does not take the olive branch she has held out, she will ensure that she keeps fighting so that it does not happen to another child.
If there's truly remorseful, then and take responsibility of what happened, then that will be accepted. But if not, it only means that it will happen again. So we'll continue in court. But if they are truly remorseful, yes, that can be done.